How to merge multiple videos on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to merge multiple videos on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in TikTok, and then if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is updated. Now if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So all you have to do is to open your TikTok application. On the bottom part, you will see different icons such as home, friends, the plus sign, inbox, and profile. So you may want to go and click on the plus sign there. Now you'll be directed here to your camera. The next thing that you want to do on the bottom part beside the play button is the word upload. So basically that's your gallery. Click on that and you will be directed to your gallery, or everything in your gallery such as your photos and your videos. Now since we want to merge multiple videos, you can easily dissect them by clicking on the videos, and all the videos will be set there. So on the bottom part you will see select multiple, so you click on that till the check mark appears, and now you can add the different videos that you want to merge. So let's say you want to merge this and this, so you just click on next and wait for it to be merged. And then to merge, now the video is already merged with each other, so let's just watch and see. After this video, it's directly merged. Now if you're not yet satisfied with the duration of that video, on the right side you will see different icons such as text, stickers, effects, and filters. So you may want to go to the adjust clips and you will be directed here. So these are the videos that you have actually chosen to merge. As you can see, the transition will go like this directly. And let's say you want to set the duration for the first video in shorter duration, so you just have to drag this anywhere you want, and basically that is how you set the duration for that video. And let's say you want to shorten this video too, so you just have to click on that video and drag the end part of it. So, and basically that is how you merge multiple videos on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.